Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Ben.
How are you today?
I'm 7 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Good. Let's start our test. Ben, what number is it?
It's number 1.
Good. What number is it?
It's number 3.
What number is it?
It's number 6.
What number is it?
It's number 2.
What number is it?
It's number 8.
And what number is it?
It's number 5.
And what number is it?
It's number 10.
Good job, Ben. Now tell me, how old are you? I'm
2 years old.
good. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Great. How many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
Apples. And how many balls are there?
There are 6 balls.
Balls. Very good job, Ben. Let's go on. How are you?
I'm happy.
Good. How old are you?
I'm hungry.
Good. How old are you?
I'm sick.
Great. How old are you?
I'm scary.
Good. How old are you?
I'm tired.
How old are you?
I'm cold.
Good. How old are you?
I'm hot.
And how old are you?
I'm sad.
Good. Okay. Now tell me, are you angry?
No, I'm not.
I'm
I'm happy.
good. Are you scared?
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm sick.
Good. Now tell me, what letter is it?
It's letter A.
Letter A sounds
Ah, 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 apple. Ant.
good. What letter is it?
Letter B.
Letter B sounds
Ball. Bag.
great. What letter is it?
It's letter C.
Letter C sounds
Cat. Car.
great. What letter is it?
It's letter D.
Letter D sounds
Dog. Dress.
what letter is it?
It's letter E.
Letter E sounds
Elephant. Egg.
and what letter is it?
It's letter F.
F
F.
sounds
Frog. Five.
good. Thank you, Ben. You did a really good job. See you later. Bye bye.
Goodbye.